Here. Chris is here. Chris is here. Cool man. All is well.
Loving the house.
Robert Dub.
Loving the
Still got dance.
Sure.
Sure, you know it at work. So, Father for the year continually.
Yeah.
Just go on with the right thing, see me.
But I'm still amazing, because I don't know. Christmas, I'm glad to see she gets from the kind.
Yeah.
And then I say, bless up the science and our family. We look for you for the Christmas here. See her right up right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Already.
And a Christmas yet.
And a Christmas yet, you know, so. So, wow. So, $1,000 here for you.
Yeah, man.
From Carleen and Malik.
Carleen and Malik.
From Canada.
Carleen and Malik.
Carleen and Malik.
Carleen and Malik. Come like local soldier them, you know. Yeah, man. Malik, you know, really grandson, you know.
And Carleen.
And Carleen, you know. I'm local soldier them, man, you know. That's a party, man. Carleen and Malik.
Carleen and Malik.
Carleen and Malik, you know.
This is for when time you're going to the doctors. You can put it, your fashion bag, you can put whatever you want. Yeah, your fashion stuff. And you got your dress inside of it.
So cute and pretty. I love flowers.
Oh. Yeah, so this is $10,000 for you from Chris from Canada.
Yeah, and Chris from Canada, you know, blessings and love, you know, man, Chris. More thanks, you know, man. You see? Yeah, man.
Bobo from Canada, so I have $10,000 a year from Bobo from Canada.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Chris is here. Chris is here. Cool man. All is well.
Loving the house.
Robert Dub.
Loving the house.
Still got dance.
Sure.
Sure, you know it at work. It's at work. You see what I go on at them at work? You see the caps them at work. Dream team make it work. Making it work. Making it work. It at work, it at work, it at work, it at work.
Look at Kino.
Snow.
You good?
Watch him face. Young Kino rolling in.
I'll go on, bro.
Max. Max, sit down, sit down. Max, sit down.
Man want food.
Get up quick.
Yes, you like the gravy, just what?
Yeah. Wait, if not for that. One boss. Take for that country, no man. Sure, you know that country. It's a Castro. And the cat them. Everything, nothing there. Max protein, you know? Max need protein in his body. My friend rich in omega 3, you know. Very rich in iron, you know. I think that's okay. Max, hold the plate now, Max. Hold the plate. Step on the plate now, Max.
Everything today, man.
Something wrong today.
I get a food.
Yeah. Something wrong with Max. Max might eat it for a long while. I let him lift back some. Max.
Yeah, like, yeah.
Max, gone.
Thank you for my Christmas. Okay, baby. Thank you.
Evening, evening.
Yes,
Yeah, nice. I
Janet.
love her for my Christmas.
How you doing?
fine.
Fine. That's good. Eventually there? Okay, so we're going to
Wait, one thing. I want to
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Just say the whole man of the bus stop.
Oh, that's funny
The
kind
man
of
said,
road.
the man said, "Toast."
Yeah.
Should have ski car come down and come pick her up today.
Okay, see there.
2 times she take taxi by herself and she couldn't find her after, is it?
Yeah.
So, I'm not going to waste her again.
Just make sure you say they on our tour.
Yeah, I'm not trying to waste her again. So, anything we let it there.
Can you talk like
Turn it off.
I got a gift for you as well, you know. I bring something for you and your sisters. Yeah, I bring something for you.
You got me a gift?
Yeah.
That's so nice of you.
It's not me, it's our extended family.
You are rich?
No, I'm rich in life.
I thought you were rich. I think you were. I hear you said expanded.
No, extended family. The gifts is from the extended family.
Okay.
Yeah, for you and your sisters.
Then?
Yeah, and your next sister.
Really?
Yeah.
She's not even nice.
She's very nice. So she shouldn't get any.
Bad.
So she should go on the naughty list.
She's really mean to her.
So I'm gonna put her on the naughty list then, right?
Yes, she's naughty.
Put her on the naughty list. I'll put her on the naughty list. You wanna come on the bed?
No.
Alright, just sit on the bed for me. Just go on the bed for me so so the camera can see you more clearer.
Okay.
Okay. Da da
I
da.
don't want to see my feet because it's very terrible here. It's really full of cuts.
Yeah, it's getting better now. Don't worry, man.
Of cuts, you know.
Yeah, it's full of cut 'cause it's getting better now.
My
Look.
foot are getting better.
Yeah, it's getting better.
Right here too.
Don't worry, man. It's getting better. You got so much pride, innit? So yes, Father, for the year and years to come and continually, eternally, you know. We got gifts here, from Miss Inez and her daughters, Miss Inez and family. We got gifts here for Shanette, Lily, and Ven. So I guess we have we have 2 bags here, I guess. So these 2 here is for Shanette.
Which one is mine?
These 2 is yours.
Yours?
Yeah, 2 of them. So I get them because she's anxious for them.
Aw, thank you.
So you're gonna thank Miss Inez and family. Yes.
I got another present too.
Yeah. So thank you, Miss Inez.
Thank you, you, Miss Highness,
and your lovely daughters.
and your lovely daughters.
And I've got something here for Lily and Ven. So this is for Lily and Ven as well. To this bag here. In here is for Ven. Her name is on this one. So this is for Ven. And the rest in here is for Lily. Lily's the one that don't want to show her face.
Oh my jar too.
Ooh.
Lily, she stole it.
Don't play with her, you know. So she's not gonna steal this, right? She's not gonna steal it.
No, she don't play with dolls anymore.
Okay, so that dolls is for you. You got 2 dolls in there, I guess. Hello.
Oh, she's so cute.
Oh look. And you got, I think you got sweets.
My
You can.
friend too.
Yeah. And you got
Dream.
Dream.
Yes, it's Sabrina's daughter.
Oh, so she have Smiley daughter's name. Look, you got so many dolls.
Oh, pretty.
Yeah.
Football. I love football.
And you got some sweets in there we can share with your sisters.
My
Look.
sister's then. Okay. I love blue and pink.
Yeah, man. So from Miss Inez and her daughters, you know.
Give thanks to silence and respect for what you done, you know. For the Christmas season. Why you feel good for the $2 and you know that, you know.
I
Give
love
thanks to
that.
silence and your daughters.
Yeah.
Love and respect to the earth.
Man, much love, man. Much love. I'm
One thing, you know what I watch my favorite cartoon? Alphabet. They have eyes, they have teeth. And you know who is the villain? Right there is for food. F. Yes, it's true it's sad because his friend betrayed him. He never meant to say freak. It's Ellen O is the bully. And they trouble him all the time because Annie's for a nerd.
Okay. Sure, Candy. Listen, you're too much for me.
Yeah. I write it out like
Yeah. Listen, she could be a. She should do poet, you know. She's some poetry, that would be good. Yeah, man. So thank you so much, Miss Inez and family. You know, it's really a blessing, you know, for the Christmas season for them. So we give thanks and thank you so much. Yeah, so we have a donation as well from Carleen and Malik from Canada. $5,000 here to our channel from Carleen and Malik.
Carleen and Malik, give thanks and, you know. Great thing I do still. That's a boy, is it? Great thing. I'm love for still. I can't cry me and go great right, you know.
Yeah.
Bless up right now.
Yeah, man. Give thanks.
Christmas, Carleen and
Malik.
is it?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Blessed love, yeah, man. So Father for the year continually.
Yeah.
Just go on with the right things, see me.
Bless up still, is it? I don't know. Christmas, I'm glad to see she gets from the can enjoy herself.
Yeah.
And let me say, bless up the science and our family. We look for you for the Christmas here. You see her right look right up.
Yeah. Already.
And a Christmas set.
And a Christmas set, you know, so them say, you know what's best way you can do with them, you know? So if you decide and she want to share as well too. So you go, oh, toothbrush. Toothpaste. And this is for when time you're going to the doctors. You can put your fashion bag, you can put whatever you want. Yeah, your fashion stuff. And you got your dress inside of it.
So cute and pretty. I love flowers. Flowers are beautiful for girls, but boys do not like flowers.
Would they like trees?
No. I like flowers. I love to grow flowers, but they're nice and I love to smell them because they're
it's
really
beautiful,
nice.
isn't it?
I can grow rose or dandelion, anything.
Yeah, man, 'cause I can see her legs them getting better now and she walk more comfortable now, right?
Well, no, she not stay on.
She not stay one place now. You can see it, man.
She people herself at the time.
Yeah. Well, at least you take a lot off of your shoulder now because you know what you used to go through, you know?
Yeah.
So all is well now, you know?
Man, we left from all in time and she I'm not going to sing them for you.
Let me see. Let me tell you what it is. Oh, it's an hand sanitizer. Yeah, the sanitizer and yeah, so you can put that in your lovely bag when you put your sweet tea in your bag or whatsoever you put in the bag.
Okay.
Okay, so you can share the sweeties with your sisters. Blue, you said?
Yes, and pink.
And pink. So you
I
can
love
share.
strawberries. They're kind of pink too.
Yeah. So make sure you share with your sisters and friends, okay?
Okay.
You got
I share
loads.
with Dream alone.
Now dream alone.
Yes, but Natalia too.
Yeah.
But she's at hospital. I have to look for her and give her one of these.
And Ven and Lily.
Yes. I miss Natalia.
You will see her soon. We
Her
definitely.
foot is cut off right here.
Yeah?
Yes.
Wow, sorry to hear that.
And she's really sad and she miss her parents.
So she wanna come home. She will be home soon. She will see her parents soon.
Okay.
Okay? So you keep praying for her. Okay? So I'm gonna go now, alright? So take care and enjoy your gift. Merry Christmas when it comes.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Yeah. So hopefully I will see you before Christmas.
Wait,
Okay?
one thing.
Go
My
on.
tablet break.
Your tablet
Put
break.
it in that jar.
Oh. So I'm gonna pray for you to get a tablet then for the Christmas, right? Are you gonna pray for one too?
I like a pink tablet.
You like a pink tablet, so pray for the pink tablet, okay?
Okay.
Pray, make a wish, and your wish will come true.
I wish you could
Go
do-
and jump.
Are you tricking me?
I'm not tricking you. Just make a wish. Say a wish. You know, the wish for.
A tablet?
Just wish for a pink tablet. Yeah.
Okay.
You know, it will come true.
Wait a second. If I wished, you gonna be right there?
Well, you never know when it's going to be. You probably wake up and see it. You never know.
On the bed?
You never know. But wish for it and believe it. You know, and you will get it.
Okay.
Okay? Thumbs up. Alright then. Father.
Respect.
Alright then, bless it. Yeah man, every time. Natural.
Natural.
We're making it work.
Making it work. Alright, Candice.
No, the earplugs. When I use I always man always use this.
Yeah, the nice.
The nice the man good thing there. Yeah. I miss Ines drop them off. We have a guest pass through quick and fast, but he wasn't here, you know.
I was on the road.
Always
Working.
always.
Ines, thanks to the earpiece and the cap. Making it work. Team thing, huh?
Yeah, no, so the cap is from Ambra Awards.
Okay.
So this is from Ambra Awards from the US, making it work.
Yeah, man. Amber was.
From the US. See there.
Work, you know?
Make it work. You see it?
Yeah, man. Make it work.
Dream team, make it work.
Yeah, man. Well appreciate it, man, to the team, man. As you
Ambra.
can see,
Yeah.
everybody on the team have on them cap. So here you go now.
Yeah.
For me, even do that, you know, I put on the cap, you know.
Alright then.
Set that work, yeah.
See that pull it from yourself.
Yeah, man. Set that work. I still wanna-
Adjustable as well, too, you know.
Yeah, man. Cheers.
So anyway, you can adjust it
Yeah, man.
how you want it, fit to your size. See, jeez, plastic still in it, see him here.
Nah, man, just right, close, innit? I have to close, man, sir.
Yeah, make it work,
Natural.
make it work,
Yeah, man.
make it work, one team. So at the back now you can adjust it to your size, you know,
Yeah, you know?
and I you with that.
Now do the adjustment, you know.
Yeah,
One just to see him, you know.
see him here.
See him, yeah.
Bad, it's bad.
Bless the man, Teresa, man. What I'm trying? It look flat. Alright.
She go put up flare for souvenir.
Yeah, man. Them things make it work, man. Good for you,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah, because she noticed what always there on the knives
Yeah,
and wouldn't
man.
have
Yeah, man.
nothing
Yeah, man.
to
Yeah, man.
protect the ears.
So, you know.
So Jella van for your one, so Jella catch for your one.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
No matter how nice, I accomplish everything. So I make
Yes.
it work.
Definitely.
Make it work, you know? Jella. I make it work, you know. More work, you know. Yeah, man. Off work.
Have to work.
It's off work.
Have to work.
Yeah, man.
To snoop every time they say that work. Hero say it at work. See there, Natty just say it at work. And whoa in there. Bombing ball, make it a whoa.
Yeah, man.
It at work.
Yeah. No, tell her.
You know what I said?
And your 3-piece suit.
They want the kitchen one, you know?
Yeah. Always cooking.
Yeah, man. So they cook some food, you know, Miss Ines put on a pot for us. Yeah, man. So today I make it work, see me. So anyway, everything go. All is natural.
Solid, man.
Solid.
Never give up.
Never give up, never give in.
No shot.
So this time now brown through the chicken from Miss Ines.
You a visit today, you know? Expect the visit and everything.
Yeah.
So I flick up something right away.
Right away. Oh shit.
Brown stew. Nice with GT member.
Cheese. Okay, tasting right.
Look at ketchup it one.
Nice it over now. Miss Ines blessing and give thanks. Rasta Jackson. Rasta Jackson, the building. Yeah. But Rasta Jackson, I wonder if it go fit here. It have to work. It have to work. I'm going to draw for the box. Oh yeah, boom. I mean, it have to go work. And I have to go find out where it work. You see where I go on?
Yeah, I know where my one there.
I say it have to go work. It have to work. Pass the box when it's to work. Okay. Now I Google. Yeah, and I Google it, type it. I type it. You see it here, boom, Rasta Messi. Dream Team make it work. From Ambra Awards.
Yeah, Dream Team make it work. Thanks.
Ambra Awards.
Thanks, yeah. One love.
Just roll up the locks and push it through. You see me? Yeah, buds. Pushing on your ears. Oh, Max is here.
Yeah, work.
Alright, Max is always here. Yeah, Rasta Jackson. That is it. Rasta Jackson. See it here? From Ambra Awards. Ambra Awards.
Ambra Awards. Just put up on the, yeah, big up the time, extended family. Love every time,
See it there.
Big up every time, family love every time, more than cook food.
Alright.
Every time, Kino.
So yeah. So you know you can adjust them. Adjust everyone. So they're gonna make it work. You can push the locks through there, so.
Damn right.
Alright. Make it work. See them work, them a work. Whoa, put on my t-shirt, no man. Oh yeah, bad so. You ever had so star. Yeah man, how you ever had so? Faster. Drop it off a pick up. Come, whoa. Alright, see the Rasta Messi. See there, make it work.
Yeah,
So it's your dream team, make it work. That is it. Wow, say it at work, you know?
See it? Because you're down in the country, you know?
Yeah.
Chopping out, you know?
Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
I call her a man, talk to man, I'm ministry then, man.
You want to come in the car when I stop on you, just play that.
Yeah.
You see me I say, come need the strength.
You need the strength. Go on.
You need the strength, hero.
So wow, so $1,000 year for you.
Yeah, man.
From Carleen and Malik.
Carleen and Malik.
From Canada.
Carleen and Malik, boy.
Carleen and Malik.
Carleen and Malik. Come look a soldier them, you know? Yeah, man. Malik, you know, really grandson, you know?
And Carleen.
And Carleen, you know? I'm looking soldier them, man, you know? That's a party, man. Carleen and Malik.
Carleen and Malik.
Carleen and Malik, you know?
Respect the $1,000, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I learn over there. I cook some brown soup and herb in the kitchen, you know.
I make it work.
Yeah, man, make it work so this can juice money for later. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see?
You see.
Call in a money, enough love, you come a new hat.
Make it work.
Yeah, man, you see me I say?
Yeah. Hero, come in, cause from Carlin and Malik, she said $1,500 for Hero to buy gas for his car. And Malik.
Okay, calling a Malik.
Yeah.
And God knows, give thanks, blessing all the time. You understand?
Yeah.
You have to overstand because different day.
Different, yeah, overstand. So for Hero to buy gas. I'm gonna say, oh, well, I park say. I'm going up by the road. Alright. Mother Teresa.
Make it work, man.
Make you say Rasta Jackson, make it work. Guess what they on it?
God make it work.
Oh.
Dream team.
Make it work. Alright. That is it. Dream team make it work. Ambro Awards, big up every time.
Big up every time.
Ambro make it work, you know? Alright. Make it work, make it work, make it work. Mother Teresa. So I have $1,000 a year for you from Carleen and Malik from Canada. From Carleen and Malik from Canada.
Carleen and Malik from Canada. Thank you very much. If you're small, it is appreciated. One thing.
Alright. So don't move. Well, I have a donation here for you. We have a donation from Bobo from Canada. Bobo from Canada. So I have $10,000 a year from Bobo from Canada.
Bobo from Canada. Thank you very much. Food basket never empty. This can go towards my project for me. Thank you very much. Father God, keep you and guide you and your family. One team, dream team, all of the extended family, heart alone.
Yeah, man. So Bobo is our new extended family. Welcome to the program, Bobo. So we give thanks from Canada. Jenna! Jenna, yo, hold on there. What kind of hat that Jenna have on? Jenna, what kind of hat you have on, Jenna? Jenna, you have on the wrong hat, Jenna, man.
That's your dad.
A wrong hat. See, they make it work. From Ambro Awards. Wow, you have on blue already. What you have on blue too? Yeah. See the Ambro Awards, Jenna. See you.
You hear that?
You hear that?
Respect. Thank you very much. Yeah, man. My color, you know?
Yes, I. Blue.
Right, blue and blue.
Blue and blue. Cheese! See there. Blue and blue. That is that. Alright. Light Parks, come through. So you have $1,000 as well to for you. From Carleen and Malik.
Carleen and Malik.
From Canada.
From Canada, yeah. Give thanks in a $1,000, you know. Give thanks for it, see, I'm a whole heap of blessing this. This is a lot of thing in Jamaica. You see it small.
Yeah.
Okay, I make it grow too.
Alright.
Yeah. So
I make it work.
More life and more love, blessings, yeah.
Alright, so
I make it grow.
So we have a donation. Don't move. We have a donation from Chris. Chris is our newly extended family to the program. I really say, yo, I really admire your Light Parks. I put in the work, you know, quiet and deadly. You see me and say, the man say, yo, respect Light Parks. You see me? Yeah, so this is $10,000 for you from Chris from Canada.
So yeah, and Chris from Canada, you know, blessings and love, you know, man, Chris. More thanks, you know. You see? Yeah, man. From Canada, you know.
Chris from Canada.
Chris from Canada, give thanks and praise, you know. See the $10,000. Yeah, man, and many thanks, man. Yeah, man, appreciate it a lot, man, you see. Yeah, man, I like the blessing we have for the dream team. And everybody else, you know, continue to do the right thing, man. Because we don't have to do the right thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And Carleen and Malik as well.
I'm willing to do the right thing.
Yeah.
Malik, big up yourself, you know.
And Malik, Carleen and Malik.
Carleen and Malik.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm all love, man.
Yeah,
Big
man.
Thanks, man. Welcome to the Dream Team, man.
And Chris, welcome
Chris,
as
man.
well.
Welcome as well, man.
And we have Bobo, who is
Bobo.
newly as well to extended family.
Extending family.
Big up yourself.
Everybody, man. Big up yourself, man. All across the world, man.
Yeah.
Auntie Jane. Yeah, man. Sharp.
Yeah.
Everybody, man. Big up on yourself, man. One team, man. Dream team, man.
Oh, the real team.
Don't the phone in.
Yeah. Bobbing ball.
Bombing ball.
Yeah. So we have Esther, aka but the body are the act alive. You say Jenna?
Yeah, man.
We make it work. Make it work. Remember them blue t-shirts that we used to have first? And now it's not bad with them. Some fresh ones. So we have Esther, aka Bombing Ball. You know, so we have $60 a year. So we have got to be different again. Everybody just get dollars. But this is still dollar, but a different from a different country. So Esther one is different from another country. So we have $60 a year for you, Esther. You know, from Oliver and Carla. You know, towards your situation up and down. We have up and down looking out for mommy. You know, and so that can help out with something up and down, you know. From Oliver and Carla.
Thanks from my favorite couple. I really appreciate it and the thoughts that's count.
Yeah, I hear me. Oliver and Carla. Yeah. You know, I will give thanks for Oliver and Carla for reaching out for Esther. And you know, them send them best wishes. You know, and hope your mommy will doing great. Well, we know she's doing great now. I will explain the situation. I will give thanks. And I will thank everyone for the prayers for Sister Juni. You know, and she thank you so much because she feel the prayers, you know. She's also still praying for us here. So even when she's in her time, she's still praying for us in our time. You know, we give thanks to you for Sister Joni. So Sister Joni, bust a smile for him up on the bed. She a smile, eh? Because I know she have, yeah man, Oliver and Carla, so we give thanks. See there. So Jax, you want to catch it? You're not to catch it. You want to catch it at all. So that is it. Amber Awards, we give thanks Amber Awards for the arts, you know. We like the effort, because you see it make it work.
Have to make it work.
Dream Team make it work, you know. See it there. Great design. You know, we'll give thanks for that. We'll appreciate that. Barney Bob. As I say, you know, Barney Bob always there give a helping hand, and we really appreciate that. Because, you know, Amber Awards send some hats. You know what I'm saying? It's 21 hats. Because, you know, 20 members in the team, so we have a spare hat. You know, as I say, yeah man, I give the strength. You know, so we decided to the spare hat we have. Yeah, we're gonna give it to Barn because it deserves the spare hat. You know, we have to thank Amber Awards. You know.
We're big up this self-made material. The teamwork part. You see me in it too.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, Amber, enough respect.
Yeah, man.
Pride was on the
extended family.
One love, more strength, more happiness.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks to Amber Awards, you know, because we get 21 at. I know there's 20 members in the team, so we have a spare one. So we say, alright, then Barney always give us helping hand. If you ever get the left or the right, so we always appreciate. So we say, here, just give Barney the spare hat. So we know, say, it's more encouragement. Alright, then Barney back.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.